Nice quaint little building here. Model trains, the whistle stop of Oklahoma City. Back parking lot here. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train store time. I'm in Britton, Oklahoma, just outside of Oklahoma City, and we're at the whistle stop, so let's check this place out. Pretty cool. Oh, let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Please use the east door. You can get tickets here. Alrighty. Just don't look at the floors when you come here.
Oh no, he said it.
So how are you doing? Are you one of the owners?
Yes.
So how big is this place, approximately?
Honestly,
Don't know.
I wouldn't know. I don't think I've ever measured the wall.
You never measured? How long you guys been here?
We've been here since the early 80s.
Early 80s.
We actually started as half of the other side over there and expanded to that side, and then in the 90s we got this building too. So.
And what do you mostly have here? Like
It's nothing but trains. There might be a few other small little like RC car parks and stuff, but
right.
Most of what we sell for the last 40 years has been nothing but trains.
What's most in this store? HO or N or a little bit?
Most popular in our area is HO, but we've got a pretty good smattering of all of it.
A little bit of everything?
Yeah, a little bit of everything. There's N scale and G scale here.
Yeah, we're G scalers, as people know, and well, you guys all know that car by now. Got a few of those.
37 inches long and 70 pounds.
Yep, that is
Definitely a heavy one.
yeah, that is a heavy car right there.
I use 2 ribbons. You know, like the fancy stuff in boxes with ribbons.
Good N scale, the Kato.
Track, 'cause that's just, I don't want to break anything on
There's all your Digitrack.
New track, sound tracks.
All track.
Here we go.
Is there a train going through?
It's coming south, going north. North.
That's a live feed down from I-235, which is about 50th.
I just saw that.
In the city. Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you see that coal train go through?
Yeah. Oh, look at here. When you guys come here, they have a live feed. And we just saw the coal train come by here like 10 minutes ago. That's pretty cool.
The southbound?
North.
Northbound? So we'll actually see that one here in just a minute. Because it'll come by right down here, right down the street.
Some old buildings. Good variety of N and HO. Love all these heritage units when you can find them. If you can find them. Which
There's 15 of them. And I've probably got some that I don't know about. Man, if I could buy all those, I could have one hell of a trip. I'm still thinking that.
I'm sure we can probably make a deal.
They're only going for $10 a car. It's pretty cheap.
old steel cars. Some great Lionels.
I was going to ask.
Oh, I had one of these Lionel lines.
Just the one.
I don't know, I can ask Mike, see if he can. But if that's what we've got and that's all that's sitting over there, it's probably all it's got.
Let's go to the trains. Good variety of Lionel in the box and even wrapped. Hopefully the glare's not too bad here. Fast track. Make life easier for some people who aren't into scratch building or laying their own rail. Whoa, look at this, hanging from the ceiling. That is a cool building. Not a very large store, which that really doesn't matter to a lot of us, but there is a lot of stuff in here that I'm sure you guys would be interested in to buy. There you go. Maybe if you want to start on LGB, here's a sale on this Coca-Cola set. There's a box for that auto rack. It's a monster. Little work area, your Cato HO track. I think this area is off limits, so I'm not sure. Yep, no customers. And so we'll stay away from that. We're getting ready to do a little remodeling. There's a couple RC cars there. So the place might look a little disarray, but still well organized. Friendly staff that we've already met.
Been in the building, we have to drop them. And we get no more money for them. Virtual schools have 14 days. What was happening was that algorithm was finding where they were on the 13th day and brought back or present on the 14th day, so keep on rolling. And that's what was happening.
Yeah.
That was just one of the things.
There you go, you can get some coffee.
Yes, we have an espresso machine as well.
Espresso machine, Hannah. How many times have we heard espresso machine at a train store? I think 0.
Well, that makes us unique then.
That makes you guys unique. There you go. There's your live feed.
And I believe next month we go live as the actual sponsor for that live feed. So.
Oh, are we? Yeah, I pulled.
Well, thanks for having us, for letting us look around. This was a great store. Still thinking about that car there.
I've got 18.
18 of those?
Yeah, but I've only pulled 15. I had a transition car
Yeah.
in between them, and I got to looking, and there were parts from a transition car on the track because I was pulling the transition car in half. Because
Oh.
they're so heavy.
No, they're heavy.
So
Well, they're like 70 pounds, right?
they're 7 pounds each.
7 pounds.
They're 7 pounds.
Yeah, not 70. I said 70. I meant 7. Yeah, 70-pound cars. I think we would have some issues there.
Yeah, we would.
Yeah, we'd have some issues. Well, you might get lucky and have a You Deserve donut if you're around. But they also ship anywhere in the world, and I'll put a link on there for their website at the bottom. So
Yeah, the
that'll be
other
very good.
Auto rack is BNSF.
Oh, okay. There's a couple of nice HO auto racks too. All right, thanks again. Bye. Oh, that was a great store. The staff was really friendly. Had a good time with them. So if you're ever in Britton, Oklahoma, come stop by the Whistle Stop. They'll treat you right. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.